Now, if you have this problem like I just discovered, you might want to do this same thing. I just took out all of my cans of paint as we're doing some painting in the house. And as I took them out, I realized that they were stuck. And I have no idea how this happened, but I can tell you right now that these things somehow leaked. Now, I don't see any evidence of a leak, but none of them show signs of a leak. However, something leaked, and I don't know where it came from. But look at this. This is crazy. I've never seen this before. So obviously something leaked. Now, I tried getting it up. This is actually from pulling the can up. That's how tough it is. But I'm literally trying to get this stuff if I can. It's like completely dry, but it's totally stuck. So I'm thinking, what am I going to use? This is a stiff putty knife, and it's not doing anything. So now I'm going to my old Fine. I'm breaking out the Fine Multimaster. This is classic, man. This is my, oh, I love this thing. This guy's awesome, but it's not cordless, so I don't use it so much. But I'm going to use this blade here. So this is a non-sharp scraper blade, and I use it for scraping up typically like plastic tile that kitchens sometimes have on their floors or sometimes in cabinets. So I'll actually scrape all that stuff out with these. It works great to do that. But right now I'm going to see if it works with the with this stuff. So I'm going to put a little light down in here, and I'll put the camera down. All right, I've got the light in there, and let's see if this thing will scrape it. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. So I'm like totally confused as to why this happened. These cans aren't that old, and I mean, this should not be going through the metal, especially with, you know, today's technology, but maybe, I don't know. There's no sign of a crack or anything, so who knows. However, I will say this, that scraper blade, if you haven't ever used one before and you didn't know what, you know, you got it maybe with your tool, but you didn't exactly know what it was, these things are really good. If you ever have like glue stuck to a floor, you just have to remember that although it's kind of sharp, it's not like it's going to cut you sharp, but it's enough to dig into the wood. In this particular case, this stuff was so stuck to the wood in some of the cases it actually pulled up the plywood. You can see the plywood literally came up with it. But it's much better than it was. Yeah, sweet. Can you believe that? All right. Well, you don't have a scraper blade? Go out and grab yourself one. Now, this doesn't work with my DeWalt because of the way it attaches. These, you have to use an adapter. So I just grabbed this. No worries.